Oh, the rain's coming down now. The butterflies don't mind the rain.
Get over it?
I can get over it. The sun's starting to come back out. Just a little sprinkle now. We're going down in a little valley now. This trail's all washed out. Oh wow, look at this. Oh. I think this used to be the trail. Look at that. Oh, look at these little flowers. They're so delicate. So pretty. Oh, now there's thunder. I think we're in for a storm. Oh, look, there is some water in there. It doesn't appear to be moving. Well, look what we found.
Jump in there. That looks nice.
Yeah.
Looks pretty deep right there in a little pocket.
Oh yeah, this looks refreshing.
Yeah, we'll jump in right there and there'll be an alligator in that hole right there where we can't exactly see. That'll be our luck. Let's move on down a ways. Maybe. There's a little bridge that we supposedly crossed.
Oh. We've got a roadblock. Ah. There's storm damage here. Wow. Look at this spark. I want the rain to come back. It's humid now. Let's go see.
It's on this side of the road, but it's like you go in the far right entrance and then you go down and they're right there on the left.
Okay, thank you so much.
Y'all have a good one.
You too. Down here?
Yeah, let's go down here. Look at these leaves. They have little spikes on them. Kind of reminds me of holly at Christmas time. Wonder if it is. Where does holly grow? You here with me to have a drink?
I don't. Drink as we go.
But I have to take my backpack off.
Okay. Off then. Which one do you want?
Water. Thank you.
Because we don't have any booze.
How do you do that? Oh my gosh. How did you just do that?
Look at me. The fat guy in the woods.
That was impressive.
Oh my goodness.
What
I
is it?
did walk through one of those spiders.
You got a spider on you?
Thought it was biting me. You on me anywhere?
And no, I don't see one. Wait,
Yeah.
I'm gonna try and do what you did. Okay? I'm not gonna be able to.
And like it's a ball of vodka, just slam it. Just guzzle it.
I'm drowning.
Figure a third of the way there. Looked like a baby cow being force fed.
How did you do that?
Sound drink like a hummingbird?
I can't do it.
You just hit a bunch of lunges.
Yeah. Up there. See that trail up there? And try that. I hear a lot of noise, like a lot of people. What is it called that we're looking for?
Red Rock Bluffs?
Red Rock Bluffs? You think that's some kind of den for an animal? I think there's a fox in there.
This is it.
We found it? We found it?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Not so much a secret.
Yeah, I think a bunch of other people have found it. Oh, this is so cool. Wow, look at this. We found it. Oh my goodness, I can't believe you just did that. Look, somebody's got a cabana down there.
Well, I have no idea how you're supposed to get down there. Look, over there.
Yeah. See him down there? This is so cool. Wait.
Just stop filming.
The top?
I don't know.
Let's go to the top. Wanna peek over the edge? Look at that. Look out there. This is beautiful. See all those people down there having a good time?
All I can do.
Oh my
Step
goodness.
really low.
I'm
That could
okay.
break away. No,
Here, hold my hand. Hold my
no,
hand.
that could fall.
I'm not gonna step onto that. It's okay.
No, it's not. Everybody says before they die.
I'm paying attention.
That's what they all say.
Let's go look over here. Look at that.
You're on your own.
Oh, it's so pretty.
The end of our contract. This is just the Red Rock Bluffs
Red Rock
off the
Bluffs.
Florida Trail.
Oh, this is on the Florida Trail.
What do you do?
I'm okay. I'm okay. Look, these trees.
Our contract ends here. I will not save you. I will not.
These trees are okay. Look, I'm okay. I'm okay. I gotta go out here. I've got to. I gotta check it out, Dan. I have to. Oh, this is so cool. Look at this. I promise, I'm being very careful. Adventure's over.
This is over.
I was being
If you
safe.
fall off, I'll walk down the road down and find you, but I won't.
You won't jump off after me?
Oh. Beautiful idea. You're grounded.
What?
You're grounded.
I'm grounded.
You push the boundaries. That we would come up on it from the bottom, not
I did too. I did too.
off the top.
I did not think we were gonna come up from the
Oh,
top.
hey.
Are your nerves shot now?
Yeah. Yeah. The trip's over.
The trip is over. Time to go home.
Yes.
How about we go swimming somewhere instead?
That sounds good.
Okay, let's do it because I'm really hot. That was fun. It's still thundering even though the sun's out. Whew. Do you think there are alligators in that water where those people were swimming?
Are we in Florida?
We're in Florida.
Well, then there's
Oh, that was so fun. I loved it.
I didn't have a chance to enjoy it because I was trying to preserve life. Mine and yours to an extent. Oh. Yeah.
You did a good job.
Send me some pictures from the Appalachian Trail.
Yeah. We're gonna do the Appalachian Trail, aren't we?
Well, that might be better. That's just Georgia clay,
Yeah.
red clay dirt. Appalachian Trail has mountains made of rock.
Right.
So,
See, we can do it.
yeah. We'll see. That's what'll get us divorced. We'll get to that. We'll get to that section. And your lifelong dream will not be accompanied by me.
We'll stop right there.
Yeah.
No. If you stop, I stop. If I go, you go.
No, not back there. If you go, that's you. That's on you. I tried to protect you. You pulled away from my hedge of protection.
I did.
There was like this much room on the drop off on the left, and you're over here doing this, and it's like death is right there, and a foot in front of you. You're like, oh God, this is good. It's good.
Wait. Is that a snake?
Where?
Oh no. It's not a snake.
What?
I thought that was a snake.
That branch?
That branch.
A big short snake.
I had a good time.
I mean, we can go to the other side if you want to.
No, it's okay. I'm ready to go swimming now.
That's enough.
Well, I see the road. Our time has come to the end on the on the Florida Trail.
On the Florida Appalachian Trail.
Oh, looky there. Hello, friends. No. Now we have to hike to our car. We gotta find our car. I'm not sure where we parked from here.